the right-hand column says party affiliation. It does not say candidates or nominees of the party.
But who are they? Who is the election commission, and at what stage is it able to say this is the party affiliation of person X or returned candidate X, and this is showing that he is an independent?
So it's section 66. What happens under section 66?
I will join with my distinguished colleague. Suppose that in that list they make a mistake. They show some very prominent person of Muslim League being in the PPP. What difference does it make? I'm not bound by it. I mean, the person, what it turns on it.
As long as that's the position ECB is taking, what's the position of your position on these notifications? I mean, they're valid. What is
would you even categorize them as notifications? Because a letter written to a deputy registrar or some section officer, I don't know, whatever is written it, it's not even tabled as a notification or something, or pursuant to issued under some act. So that person may have got it all wrong. I don't know. But it's
communication by the election. No, but there's an official communication, with all due respect, by the election commission saying, you see, the election commission turns around yesterday and says, well, you know, on the BAP thing, we did something wrong, we don't know. And conveniently here they do a flip-flop and a somersault. कितनी दफा हम उनके official record को देखें for election commission to say, नहीं जी ये तो हमने बस ऐसी हवा में उड़ा दिया.
Let me respond to this.
ये कोई बात है? एक तरफ नहीं ना, Mr. Attorney General. एक तरफ हमें बताया जा रहा है इलेक्शन कमीशन की तरफ से हम आईनी इदारा है, जो हम चाहे करें, जो हम करें सब सही है, सब दुरुस्त है. दूसरी तरफ से उनका रिकॉर्ड है, उसमें जो चीज वो कर नहीं सकते तो आप बताइए ना, ये कोई किसी अखबार इश्तेहार तो नहीं कर रहे ना. ऑफिशियल कम्युनिकेशन है टू द नेशनल असेंबली फॉर गॉड सेक. इसको इस तरह किस पॉइंट पे उन्होंने ये कहा कि हमारे रिकॉर्ड में SIC एंड फॉर व्हाट पर्पस हमारे रिकॉर्ड में SIC के मेंबरान हैं? Seems to me the only answer is paragraph D.
आप उसके इसमें ऐड कर देते हैं. आप ये बता दें कि किस कानून के तहत ये जो 2 लेटर्स इन्होंने दिखाए हैं सिद्दीकी साहब, ये किस कानून के तहत उन्होंने जारी किए हैं, किस आइन के किस प्रोविजन के तहत?
पहले let me just explain first. According to my understanding,
you can also take the easy way out and say, ask the election commission of Pakistan.
but just because I have made, so obviously it is for them to depend on. But I'm just going to assist you on the 3 stages. Yes.
What is your position?
Yes.
Does it have, first of all, does it have a legal significance? Answer that question.
These notifications or these letters or the notifications will have no bearing as far as 63A2 is concerned. That is my submission. Because for the purposes of 63A2, you would look towards the political party, the members of that political party, and see whether they were the candidates or nominees of that political party in the elections or not. Now, the first stage, among the 3 stages, this is the stage which is past 5160. I'm working backwards.
देखिए, logically, अगर इसको देखा जाए, तो actually this should be a communication from National Assembly Secretariat to Election Commission. कि जी अब हाउस कॉन्स्टिट्यूट हो गया, लोग बैठ गए, हम आपको बता रहे हैं हमारे हाउस में X is political party A, Z is political party B, on and on and on and on. But no. This is the election commission telling them that this is what our record says.
Let me say
their record. Their record has to be maintained for some purpose. It is not a purposeless, meaningless exercise. So before the constitution of the house, the only purpose is apparent.
मैं कुछ अर्ज करूं वो इकबाल ने कहा था बांगेदरा में, माना कि तेरी दीद के काबिल नहीं हूं मैं, तू मेरा शौक देख, मेरा इंतजार देख.
बिल्कुल है.
Three steps. First is the certificate when it is issued by a political party approving, nominating a person as its candidate. First is that stage, which is when filed with RO. This is the candidate which determines, this is a certificate which determines which political party the returned candidate will belong to or belongs to. The second step is when an independent joins a political party under proviso to sub-rule 6 of Rule 96, it is that stage which is happening under the proviso to paragraph D, when the election commission will enter in its record whether it has joined a political party or
If this is the correct position, that this whole problem or issue is arising out of errors made by the Election Commission, then surely it is or is it not, the duty of the court, the Supreme Court, to the extent that it is able to do that, to correct that error, to rectify the problem, and if there are alternate pathways available, legally available, to choose the one that results in the error being rectified, and either for that problem, quote unquote, of reserved seats, the excess reserved seats, going to political parties who are not really entitled to that because that tips the balance, that problem being disappeared because the reserved seats go to some political party to which is entitled, or maybe keeping the resultant vacancies to a minimum. I mean, it seems to me surely that is the correct way to interpret and apply the Constitution.
My Lord,
rather than just saying, no, the seats cannot lie vacant. No, I am sorry, I don't, with all due respect, look at it that way. I think the Constitution assumes that the seats will not lie vacant, and therefore, in terms of 22.4, expressly creates a situation where the Constitution says, look, this is the working basis of the Constitution, but here
may subsequently become a parliamentary party, but for the purposes of the ECP's order, they are not a political party. Because your entire argument is that from a political party will flow the parliamentary party. So at some point they do become a parliamentary party, and for that they have to be a political party, otherwise they can't become one, as per your own argument. So how do we reconcile that and harmonize that with the argument made?
They can work in tandem, 51.6 and 63A, in harmony, if your lordships and your ladyship were to come to the conclusion that under proviso to paragraph D, independent returned candidates can only duly join such political party who has won one seat in the House, in a House, and consequently,
अभी तो reserve seat पे तो पहुंचते हैं ना जी. अभी तो we're just looking at whether they are a political party or not.
So
your contention is they are not.
मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि for the purposes of 51.6,
they are not a political party.
They are not a political
party. But for all other purposes they are, and now they are a parliamentary party.
No, they are not a parliamentary party.
Let me आपका मैं जो समझाऊं, आप ये कह रहे हैं कि Sunni Ittehad Council was not a political party for the purposes of 56